Ladies and gentlemen, we are back here on one of the biggest scam apps going around town, Brickbuster. Now, Brickbuster is funny to me because they are running the developers are running such a massive advertising campaign, right? Trying to get people to play their app. Because they know for a fact that no one would ever play this app if it wasn't advertised. There is no replayability to this app at all, except for the fact that you have to grind up these imaginary points to try and get real life money. So, for all you guys that don't know, Brickbuster offers apparently real life money, PayPal prizes, Amazon gift cards, all these type of real life finances for you to actually play their app, okay? Which is hilarious to me. Like, you have no idea how funny this is. Even funnier, it actually has a slot machine gimmick in it as well, just to make it like a casino game. So, literally, guys, the app offers real-life rewards. I'll show you right now what the prizes are, by the way. Get ready. So, cash out. You need $64 more to cash out, $100 PayPal cash. Now, this has been confirmed by so many user reviews that it's fake, okay? When you can't even get to 100, essentially, and if you do, nothing ever happens. You never get money. I'm just letting you all know, okay? 20 types of fruit equals gift cards, which we don't even have one fruit right now. 25 fruit equals $1,000 of real-life money, and getting 777 equals instantly $1,000. So, there you go, everyone. That's what they're offering for you, the player, to actually win by playing their app. Now, let me tell you something. Do you reckon a developer is actually going to... And look, they make you watch an ad to spin the wheel as well. They're very cheeky. They know that people want to try and win real-life money for the least amount of effort. And this app is definitely the least amount of effort I think I've ever seen. Like, all they're really doing is just copying and pasting the existing Hyperplinko app and putting it into their app, okay? I'm fairly sure they're the same developers, by the way. Just an FYI. Like, I would be shocked if they're not the same developers, because this has everything that Hyperplinko has, which is very funny to me. So right now I'm just spinning the wheel here of this slot machine. Doing okay, I guess. We haven't really won anything except for some credits. I can't actually redeem credits because I need 2.9 million more credits to actually redeem an Amazon gift card, everyone. So think about that very carefully. We get about 50 credits per those gold little tabs there on the field, okay? I need to try and work up 2.9 million of them. So how long do you think it's going to take me with an average of about 400 credits per run here? I only got 150 there. Like, you got to think about this, dude. It's going to take like a year to get an Amazon gift card. Surely, right? Like, this is the biggest scam going around. I don't know how Google allows scam apps like this to exist. Leave me a comment, please. Tell me what you think of this app. I genuinely 100% believe that this is a scam beyond a shadow of a doubt. Like, judging from the user reviews, judging from what everyone's saying on Google, like, 100% it's a scam. They've also, like, by the looks of it as well, they've purchased fake likes for the reviews as well. So that's right, Brickbuster actually has fake likes if you have a look. It's just people writing generic comments and giving it 5 stars. If you don't know, you can easily buy fake likes on the Play Store, guys. So that's exactly what I think Brickbuster has done, just to make sure that people think it's a legitimate app when it really isn't. It's crazy to me how even in 2020 we have these fake money generating apps that claim to increase your finances and claim to give you money, claim that you can just sit at home and play these apps to earn money with no effort whatsoever. It's just a joke. But the saddest thing to me is that people are still falling for it now. Like, guys, no developer is going to give you free money unless they legitimately get something out of it. And right now, I'm seeing like Brickbuster, Hyperplinko, all these Plinko games, they're all legitimately just meant to make you watch advertisements, and that's about it. So when you watch an ad on these apps, the developer gets money since you're watching an ad on their app. That's just how it works, everyone, okay? So you have to think about that. And they're getting decent money as well, for sure, especially how many people are actually falling victim to this scam of Brickbuster and Hyperplinko and all the rest of them. We're about to do the slot machine again here. Let's see, let's spin the slot machine. Got 1-7, got nothing, okay. 100% chance of winning if I watch a video ad, no thanks. Let's spin the wheel again, nothing. So, waste of time, waste of effort there, guys. We've got absolutely nothing on that slot machine. Let's keep going here, keep the grind going. Nice, very big ball there, beautiful. Okay, I just got a free slot machine then. Every time I hit that little red circle, I do get a slot machine token. Let's spin that wheel again. Nothing again. Complete waste of time. And just remember, you'd watch a video every time to spin that wheel, dude. So yeah, it's a very, very funny situation they've got here. I would love to see how much money they're making off people, these Brickbuster developers, bro. Legit. It's crazy to me. It's an absolute crazy situation. And I laughed so hard at the reviews on Google, man. I laugh. Because people are so mad. People have legitimately sat here, played the app, like, properly, expecting to win real-life money. And they're shocked when they don't get it. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's sad in a way. It makes me sad that people actually devoted their time to playing like such a scam of an app. It sucks. It does suck, everyone. I'm not going to lie. Either way, we'll keep the grind up here anyway. Going to try and hit the exit. Nice. I have to try and get the ball around. I need to try and hit that blue ball. Can I get it? Yes, there we go. Nice. Perfect. Good stuff. We're on 777. Let me do the spinning wheel again. I mean, gameplay-wise, it's pretty straightforward. But there's not really much to do after about 10 minutes of playing this app. Like, it gets boring real quick. Besides the fact that it's a scam, it's also boring as well. So there's no real fun out of it. Do you know what I mean? Like, what fun do you get out of playing Brickbuster in reality? I'm on 41 real-life dollars apparently right now. I'll never see that money, bro. Like, I'm never going to see that $41 in real life. Ever. I'm just letting you all know. I'll never, ever see that money in real life. 100%. Alright, good. Let's try. We've got 21 shots left. So you actually have ammunition as well, technically. So just remember that, guys. 20 balls, or pinballs, out of 50 there. Which is interesting. So I think I'm going to run out pretty soon, just by judging of this. Come on. 19. Here we go. Going to keep it up. Nice. Slots. Here we go. Trying to get the slot machine going again. Come on. I'm going to win nothing, am I? Oh, I won something. Wow. I won one real life dollar. There you go, everyone. One real life dollar that, again, I'm never ever going to see. What a situation this is, man. What a situation. How does this turn into what it is now? I don't get it. I don't get, well, how do people wake up in the morning, like developers, and just think, I want to scam the players? People that actually want to, like, might not even have money in real life. They're playing these apps because they don't have money in real life. And that people take advantage of them even worse, these developers. It makes me sad. It does make me legitimately sad. I do hope you guys come down on this app like a ton of bricks. And honestly, like, just, it's a joke. Absolute joke. And the fact that Google lets it happen is just sad to me as well. I know I'm on YouTube and YouTube's a part of Google, but it's just a sad situation, everyone. You have to think about that. I still haven't won a fruit. I'm on 0 fruit, dude. I've played for ages as well. Unbelievable. Either way, everyone, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all did enjoy just a short video today. Please remember to check out my other videos on my channel exposing other scam apps. And I will see you in the next video tomorrow, guys. See you later. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.